Hey Glam Fam! I'm Ann McFerrin, the founder of Glamnetic, and I'm here to share all my secrets for how to take care of your natural nails before, after, and in between sets. It's super important to keep up with proper nail maintenance to have strong, resilient nails that you can switch up with sets anytime you want. Here are my favorite tips and tricks to keeping your nails looking healthy between sets. First step is protection. Keep your nails clean and dry as much as possible to avoid bacteria. Wear gloves when washing dishes. Did you know that the nail is 1,000 times more absorptive of water than the skin? This means that too much water exposure can cause them to soften and weaken, which can cause peeling and breakage. Now let's talk about nutrition. I personally love to take biotin supplements or integrate biotin-rich foods into my diet, like eggs, sweet potatoes, and avocados. Protein-rich foods are also key because natural nails are primarily made up of protein. Some of my favorite examples would be chicken, beef, eggs, nuts, beans, and quinoa. Nails are similar to hair follicles, and here's why. Once they grow out, they aren't alive anymore. That's why cutting hair and nails is painless. The cuticle is just like the scalp. Both the scalp and cuticles are made up of keratinized cells, which are tough and protein rich. Both play a role in protection. The nail cuticle helps to seal the nail plate and prevent infections. Both are constantly renewing themselves. The scalp produces new hair cells, and the nail cuticle pushes back as the nail grows. Taking care of your cuticles between sets is something nail experts strongly recommend. This is how you take care of your cuticles. First, gently push back cuticles and apply our 2-in-1 cuticle oil daily to help with hydration and promote strong, healthy nails. It's important to give your nails love in between sets. I recommend using a file to even any splitting or tearing and to keep your natural nails short. I recommend keeping a nail file handy everywhere you go. I personally love the Glamnetic 7-in-1 nail buffer because it has multiple sides for different functions. Avoid ripping press-on nails off. Make sure to use our press-on nail remover. It's soft and gentle on natural nails. You can also use the soaking method to properly remove press-on nails and avoid damaging natural nails. Let's keep the chat going in our comments. What are some of your favorite ways to take care of your nails? And if you have any questions at all after this video, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.